Navigate to your profile and click on the drop-down menu. Explore Freelance Activity to find the projects you're currently working on. Select the offer you wish to enhance, hit Edit, and dive into customization. Choose a compelling title, set the right price, and specify delivery time. Boost visibility by adding relevant tags, and craft a captivating description along with a brief character snippet for search engines. Don't forget to showcase your offer with a compelling image and outline any necessary requirements. Hit Submit, and voila! Your enhanced offer is now awaiting approval.